Exhaust Addicts is located at Discount Mufflers and Custom Exhaust at 3560 Dickerson Pike, Nashville, Tennessee. For questions, give us a call at 615-612-6244. We are open from Monday to Friday, 8:30 a.m. to 4:30 p.m. Central Time. Thank you for watching and enjoy the video.
All right, guys, we got something cool in here today. Look at this massive truck. It fills up the whole shop. We barely have any space left. Look at this thing. It's huge, and I love the American flags on it. It's a really beautiful truck. It's a 2020 6.6 liter, 400 cubic inch Silverado 2500. I had to take a second breath, man. The first breath wasn't enough. Yeah, I got winded. Whew. Anyways, it's a massive truck all the way from Ohio. He's down here for the races this weekend with NASCAR. So he's like, I know Exhaust Addicts is here, so we gotta come say hi. And he sure did, and we appreciate it. Really nice guy. Factory converter there, factory converter there. Wise into a single, a third massive converter there. Then 3.5-inch pipe there. And he brought his own muffler in. It's part number 12578 MAGNAFLOW. 28-inch, 3-inch in, 3-inch out muffler. Look at this thing. It's massive, but it looks on this truck tiny because this truck is huge. So that's all we did. Just did a muffler swap for him out the back, and then it continues 3.5-inch out the back right there. And then the massive muffler that you can make into a grill because it's massive. Everything's just big. I don't know why, but everything's huge on this truck, and I love it. Even the tailpipe is 3.5-inch. Look at that. Massive. Just for comparison, here you go. 1, 2, 3 handfuls and a half of just I'm thinking to make one into a grill. Why not? Anyways, that's what it looks like after. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. And we really appreciate it. I'm coming down from Ohio. We are located in Nashville, Tennessee. So if you guys are ever in the area or want to come by, we are in Nashville, Music City, USA. So come say hello. And like always, guys, like, comment, and hit that subscribe. Yeah, that's clean. It's smooth. Remember, it has no load on it right now, you know? Again? 93 again? Yeah, right at 93, 94. But yeah, you see how much water comes out of it?
Oh yeah.
So make sure you blow it out hard when you, anytime you're gonna park it for a long time. Get that exhaust hot. Yeah. So right at 94. So under load, it'd probably be about 101, 102. Yeah. No, under load.
Oh, yeah.
Like if you're pulling a trailer or something, it'd be about 101.
There's some hills between me and you.
Yeah. That sounds phenomenal though. It's clean. That's the muffler to go with if you're gonna be pulling stuff with this truck. So remember that, guys. Go ahead and back it up. Look at that paint job. It's cool. I like the vinyl. Good looking truck. Look how much I gotta back up to get the whole truck in frame. It's crazy. That sounds good. What do you guys think? Let us know in the comments. Let you guys hear on the inside. Check out, guys, the cover. They're Carhartt covers. Really good. Gives it a two-tone color. That's cool. What do you guys think? Chevy Silverado 2500, 400 cubic feet of 6.6 liter power. We swapped out the muffler to a MAGNAFLOW 28-inch body. Look at this massive truck. Ohio.